So here are my tips. So first is track every peso you spend. So it is very important kasi nakikita mo kung saan napupunta yung pera mo. For example, this day, ito yung mga gastusan mo. So in that tracker, makikita mo na kung saan ka ba talaga mas magastos, and parang matututunan mo siya na i-lessen paunti-unti. Hindi mo naman kailangan biglain na talagang aalisin mo siya sa budgeting mo, pero kumbaga paunti-unti, at least masasanay ka or masasanay mo yung sarili mo sa proper way of budgeting. Next is wait 24 hours before you buy. Yun nga yung sabi ko kanina, since I'm an impulsive buyer, hindi ko iniisip kung magagamit ko ba siya in the future, kung ngayon lang ba itong kagustuhan ko na bilhin ito. Kasi since kapag nandiyan na ako, hindi mo na nagagamit, nasa isang tabi na lang. So you need to think or wait 24 hours, at least 24 hours before you buy it. If you really need it, then buy it. If it's not a necessity, then wag na. Next is open bank account. So, for me, gusto ko talaga na maging financially stable. I opened bank account. So, I saved money. Kumbaga kasi parang meron tayong short-term and long-term savings. And sa mga short-term savings ko, I used piggy bank. Yung mga coins, yung mga small paper bills, doon ko nilalagay. And in case na may paggagamitan akong emergency, for example, school project, at least may pagkukuhanan ako ng fund. And sa long terms emergency fund naman is, or savings is yung nasa bank account, which is dapat once na may mga paggagastusan ka, dapat aalisin mo sa isip mo yung pera na nandun para at least hindi mo maiisip na gagamitin yun, since it is a long-term emergency fund. So, next is, unahin natin yung mga kailangan natin, yung mga essential needs natin rather than our personal needs. Kumbaga, one thing that I learned in budgeting is that 50-30-20 budgeting. You need to allocate 50% to your essential needs, 30% to your personal needs such as hygienes and so on, and the 20% is for your savings or emergency fund. So very useful, or it is very important to learn that, since in our early 20s especially, para at least ngayon pa lang masanay natin yung sarili natin sa na mag-budget, na magtipid, and mag-save. So, that's all. I hope you learn from that, since it's my mistake, and I learned from it. Bye!